Good morning. Today's Wednesday, and I'm getting ready for my third look on the palette from Pat McGRATH, the Mothership Mega Celestial Nirvana. I have done so far 2 looks, and today I'm considering it should be the last one because I'm already missing my editorial and the product are fabulous, are amazing quality, amazing presentation, pigmentation wise, wow. Okay, so far I did prime my face after prepping my face with my usual hyaluronic acid, my serum and peptides, and on top my La Mer moisturizer cream. So I prime my face with Gush. It's a Gush primer, it's from Gush, and it says that it's a velvet touch foundation primer, anti wrinkles. Okay, I did apply the Inglot gloss on my lips today. I still using the color because it give a little tint of a soft pink. I love it because it's very thick and can last for hours in your lips. I got this lip gloss on Amazon, but you can definitely go to the inglot.com. Beautylish, I know that they already sell this product and camera ready. I did prime my eyes with what you already know, with my Daily Go DERMA Chill, the ultimate skin protectant. Okay, that is on my eyes. For my eyebrows, I did today my Valentino Trio Brow, and the color that I use on the brow Trio Brow from Valentino is in Taupe. Stay with me. I invite you. You know that I'm pretty new on the platform of YouTube and hoping, to grow, hoping, that I can attract subscribers with my job. I am nothing but with a pure heart here in front of you. Fantastically, I bought all my product, I don't have, in this case, to be depending, on sponsors. I don't have sponsors. And speaking a little bit about me, I am a pro makeup artist. And before coming a pro makeup artist in advanced techniques, I was a master, makeup artist. But with my last certification, actually, I decided to go and pursue it, the editorial, high fashion, and creative makeup look. So probably that is what obey for me. When I see colors, I need to take the most that I can on a palette. I want to teach you, techniques of how you can enhance your knowledge and start doing different things. So anyway, stay with me, my dears. You can find me on YouTube as Jeanette Riquelme. I'm going to post, my name, my links, my website. I am on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, different platform. Then you can find some of my works and what I do. I'm fully dedicated to, my time to do this on YouTube right now, because like I was saying before, my only motivation right now is to give something, to give you a little happiness, if that is possible, through the makeup. Makeup is an art, is artistry. Stay with me as I get ready, to start working on this fabulous Wednesday makeup look. Love you all. Hello, my friends. Okay, I'm here I want to show you one eye is done, and I've been using Pat McGrath the Mega Celestial Nirvana palette. Applying this very white shade over here, like I did here, for a little pop. Because I want to get the finish between the black and the blue, okay? If happen, then it's too charged or too intense, I just grab a tiny little bit of concealer and I apply it to soothe the intensity of the shade, okay? So this is what I mean with my MAKEUO. Yeah, the lines are getting pretty much symmetrical, okay? This gorgeous shade from NABLA on my brush, and I'm going to start diffusing. Okay, so I'm getting ready to map a line Look how pretty it's working with this color. The red color or coral, because it's a little red coral, strong. Doesn't work much for the waterline, okay? I'm just going to keep retouching it, but again, since it is powder, is fading quickly. Just like that, okay? And you will see what I'm going to do now with my MAKEUO. I clean. I highly recommend you people, if you don't have this Q-tip, get it because they're so pretty. Removing the excess again. And I'm diffusing carefully. For the only reason that I don't want the blue on top of the black, okay? One more time. So, like I was saying, my people, this look is pretty laborious. I'm trying to get as much as I can from this palette. It's a beautiful palette, and today is going to be the last makeup look using it, okay? Hello, hello, hello. And my phone died. I really apologize for that. But I continue doing the makeup look. Okay, Let me explain you something. I don't have actually a lipstick that can match to this beautiful red coral, but look what I did. I ended using the duo blush from Pat McGrath. I put it on my lips, okay? So what do you see here is the powder. Okay, I'm diffusing the contour. I put a tiny little bit, not much. I put a tiny little bit on my nose, but definitely I put plenty on my cheeks. There's a lot of going on the eyes. With stippling motions. My friends, was a very long makeup look. This is the final product. Working with Pat McGrath, the Mega Celestial Nirvana palette. This is it. I hope that you like today's work, and I hope that you enjoy it. I'm going to get ready for the photo shoot, and I will see you later with all the pictures. I'm going to be posting it, okay? So have a great evening. It's getting darker here in Texas, San Antonio. Again, this is Jennye the Requalme, pro makeup artist and in advanced techniques, certified makeup artist. And if you have any questions or you request for me to teach a certain makeup look, let me know. As one more time, I didn't have a color that matched with this beautiful red coral on Pat McGrath palette, but I am using one of her blush, this shade here. Okay, I have one that is just the pure coral orange. This one is from Pat McGrath. Okay, everything that I did on my face, obey to her product, are amazing, including the glass balm on my lips. So hope you enjoy it, and I will see you very soon. Bye.